Hello everyone, my name is Paras Panara from Mumbai Support and I welcome you all to our Spider YouTube channel. The main purpose of this channel is to provide small videos on particular topics of our software so that our users stay informative with all our features and utilize the software at maximum point. If you face any issues regarding any of your particular queries, then you can contact us on 022 3501 8383 or write us on support@spidersoftwareindia.com. Okay. So in this video, we are going to discuss about intraday data manager. So what is intraday data manager? So intraday data manager is the most important thing to get the intraday data. Okay. So after opening the intraday data manager, you can see that it has written exchange, history days, server, data from, and status. So this exchange means below that you can see that it has written NSC cache, NSC derivatives, MCX and BSC cache. So these are all the segments which we provide intraday data. So for example, if you have the product of NSC cache and NSC derivatives, then you have to select the number of history days. So what this number of history day means, if for example I put here as a 30, so this means that I will be able to see 30 days intraday data. And besides that, you can see it has written server. So basically we have provided three servers, server 1, server 2 and server 3. So just in case if server 1 is not responsive at your end, then you can try to connect from server 2 and similarly with server 3. So I'll just take as a server 1 here. Okay. And after that we have option of data from. So in this we have two options, data from start and data from current. So data from start means if you are going to connect the intraday after just for say example after 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. So this means that software requires to fetch the data from 9:15, the market start time. So if you select start here, so it will fetch the data from 9:15 till the current time you are connecting to intraday data. Okay, and below that it is current. So in this current option, this means that if you are starting the software at 10 a.m., so this will directly fetch the data from that particular time only. So this means that it is not going to fetch data from 9:15 to 10 a.m. And after that, we have checkbox of connect. So this means that if you click on connect, then it is going to fetch the data and give you the intraday data on your software. And after that, there is a status option. So it is going to update as per the data you are going to receive. So for example, we'll just click on connect here. So you can see that it was giving me option here of reading files. So you can see on top, it is fetching the data. And if I click on update status here, then it is going to update my status of the particular exchange. Okay. Similarly, in NSC derivatives, I would like to also share one more option. You can see that it has written full exchange and my group. So what this means, if you click on full exchange and try to connect, then it means that it is going to fetch the data of all the scripts. Or you can say that all the scripts from our exchange. And besides that, you can see the option of my group. So if you click on my group, it is going to show your group which you have saved. And also you will be able to see the group of exchange defined NSC, BSC, derivatives and so on. So as per the intraday manager, we are checking for derivatives. So we'll go to Spider NSC derivatives. And as per that, we have three groups, near month, next month and far month. So just for example, if you are clicking of near month, so it will show future continuous near month. And besides that, you can see that 191 scripts are available in this group. So what this means, if I click on start, this means that I am going to get intraday data of this 191 scripts only. So this means that I'm not able to see the data of options or next month or far month. I'm only able to see the data, intraday data of near month. Okay, so same thing I'll do. I'll click on connect. So this will read my intraday files and it will start fetching the data from where I stopped the software. So as you can see, I have not connected the software since 9:15. So it is fetching the data right now. Okay. And besides that, we have one more option, manage files. So if you come to manage files, you can see three options: recover today's file, delete today's file, and delete previous day's file. So just for example, if you connect to market, just for an example, say you connected to market after 3:30 p.m. and before that you connected to market till 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. Then you can say that the data was missing from 1 to 3:30. So even in chart, you are going to see that the data is missing. So to recover that data, you can do one thing. You can select that particular exchange. For example, you can take the NSE cash or NSE derivatives and click on delete today's file. So this means that it is going to delete the today's file. And after that, you can click on recover today's file. So this means that it is going to recover the today's file. And after that, you can just restart your software and you can check that your intraday data is available. So this is all about the intraday data manager. I hope this video was very informative for our clients. Just in case if you face any issues regarding your particular queries, you can directly contact us on 022 3501 8383 or write us on support@spidersoftwareindia.com. You can also get these details from your software as well. So you just have to go to file and go to about. And in about, you can get the contact details here as well. Thank you.